Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Limits can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. We are looking for a value that the ratio of x over g cannot reach. Start with the inequality where gx is between 0 and x. Since g is positive, divide by g to show that x over g is always greater than 1. Because the ratio x over g is strictly greater than 1 for all positive values, the limit as x approaches infinity must be greater than or equal to 1. 0 is the only option less than 1. This makes it impossible, so option A is correct. You nailed this! Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust the given info and check your steps.